What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Lorenzo. My friends call me Lo. Sorry about the hiatus. It's been a little while since I posted a video, but what I'm going to be doing today is having the GReddy Evolution GT exhaust installed onto my 370Z. I'm pretty excited about getting this mod done. It's the first of many to come. You know, as I've mentioned in the previous videos, I mean, the car is pretty much completely stock other than the hood. But I want to do, you know, more performance upgrades, some visual upgrades. You know, I want to set the car apart from the rest of the Z's that are out there. So this is the first of many. What I'm going to be doing is taking the car to CD Automotive. It's a shop here in town. I talked to Carlos there and he said I could just bring it in, didn't need to make an appointment. I actually used them before some years back when we put the exhaust on the S550 Mustang. And we had really good luck with it, haven't had any problems, so that's why I'm going back there. So let's get going. Okay guys, so here it is. This is the Y pipe and what GReddy calls the transition X pipe. Y pipe is about 2.5 inches. The transition is, I believe it's 3.5 inches or 3 inches. And then of course the tips are, I think, are 4.5 inches. They look really big, definitely bigger than the ones that are stock. This is a real quality exhaust. Apologize about all the glare from the sun, but it has, I don't know if you can see there, but it has really good welds. That's kind of what impressed me the most about this exhaust. But also, you know, I've never seen this, but these are actually serial number stamped. There's also stamping in various areas of the exhaust where the flanges are. I mean, it just looks really nice. It's just like an extra nice touch. Not that I'll ever see that unless I'm underneath the car, which hopefully isn't too often. But yeah, I'm ready to get this exhaust on and then just to see how it sounds. I think it's all gonna go in here. We'll see. When I was backing out this morning, I'd been using my air compressor. And it's a small one, like I think 5 gallon. So I didn't realize I hadn't pulled it out of the way, and I kind of bumped it. It didn't make a dent, but there's like a little bit of some rubbing on the clear coat, but hopefully it's something that I can just buff out. Okay, so I just talked to one of the guys at the shop, and it looks like there's about a half an hour to an hour wait before they can get to the Z, and then anywhere between a half an hour to another hour to get the exhaust swapped out, bolted up and fitted. So with any luck, we'll be on this road sooner than later and get to open it up in this real nice weather. It's beautiful today, man. I just left C&D Automotive. They made quick work of the exhaust. Special thanks to Jason and Josh. They're the two guys that were working on it. They actually did it really quick. Yeah, it sounds amazing. I need to find a better road to open it up, but you know, the exhaust tone is definitely a lot louder. Just, it's a great sound now. So hopefully you can hear this in the cabin. Oh my goodness, that sounds so good. Okay, so there you have it. The exhaust has been installed thanks to C&D Automotive. Carlos, really happy with the way it sounds. It definitely wakes the car up quite a bit. So thanks to C&D Automotive again for allowing me to film while they were doing it, and they were really cool with it. Everybody was super nice, very professional. Special thanks to Jason and Josh. Those are the guys that you saw in the video actually installing the exhaust. They made quick work of it. I mean, it was really quick, a lot faster than what I thought. Really didn't have any idea how long it was going to take, but I mean, I was in and out there pretty quick. Okay guys, so don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you're notified when I upload any new videos. And don't forget about the $200 gift card giveaway that we have going once we hit 1,000 subscribers. And when we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to pick a random comment from the comments that are generated within the videos. So the more comments that you drop, that's going to increase your likelihood of winning that gift card. Keep on watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks guys. Peace.